this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a easy pizza sauce, and this pizza sauce is from Domino's. Yes, I am doing a copycat Domino's pizza sauce, and if you want to know all the aromatics and herbs which I am going to use in this recipe, so watch this video till the end. Domino's pizza sauce need very few ingredients. So first I'm gonna heat a pot, and we will add our crushed tomatoes along with some tomato puree by the addition of extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to reveal our aromats and spices. So I'm using almost 7 types of herbs and aromats into this. So let's add all of them. So our pizza sauce is almost ready, and I want to preserve it for a longer time. So I'm going to add some white vinegar into this. It helps to add as a preservative into my pizza sauce. You can replace it with white wine vinegar as well.